Hello people, I know it's been a little while, just been dead busy with my 9 to 5, but yeah, I finished, it's finished. Since the last video I've got this nice mat in here, brand new mat, put these LED lights in here, got this brand new canopy, I4 Williams, ordered, came down in Wales, got all my suspension sorted out, front and back, cleaned up a little bit in here. So yeah, it's done. It's been done for a while actually, but I've been using it for a few bits and pieces. I resprayed the roof in gloss black. I've been sorting out the inside a bit, cleaning it up, stained the floor to match the steering wheel so it's a solid oak floor. So yeah, it's just a lot nicer in here now. Carpeted the roof, put in the sun visors, lots of bits of trim that I fitted. Yeah, LED light all working. So yeah, pretty happy with how it turned out. Good little lived-in project. And I've actually, a few days ago, I've just sold it. It's so it's getting picked up tomorrow. Guy down in England loved it, obviously. So he's coming to pick it up, and who knows what's next. Probably I'll get another one because I made a decent little profit on this one, so I'm happy about that. Also learned a lot of things, and I just think it looks a lot better. If you recall what it was like at the start of this, it's quite a big change, and yeah, pretty happy with how it looks at the moment. So I'm sure the new owner's gonna have some good times with this. Apparently he's gonna use it to go off green laning with his son, so that's what it's for, you know, that's what these are for. And yeah, brand new tires and everything, all the suspension's sorted out. It's just ready to go, ready for business. So yeah, we sad to see it go, but on to the next one, I think, on to the next project. And yeah, I might do one more video just doing like a building a Landrover and or fixing up a Landrover in 10 minutes sort of thing, with some time lapses and stuff, just showing you what it was like before and after. But I think it's pretty much the end of this series. So yeah, thank you for watching my videos, and hopefully you like what I did with it. Okay, see you later.